Unfortunately, there's no way to put a 12 cm fan on the backside. I tried from the outside, and yeah, that kind of actually fits here, but then that would be just one mounting hole because the other one is not there. And well, an external fan is ugly, and then obviously from the inside it's not better at all. I cannot even put the frame in. It hits against the I/O of the motherboard, and I don't really want to push this in even. So there's no 12 cm option as far as I can see. I will still try with the fans that I have. Maybe one of them is slightly smaller than this filter. Maybe it will fit up here, but if not, then I will revert back to the 8 cm fan that was included, because I really want to finish this build as soon as possible. Now, this is literally 1 millimeter or even less too tight to fit the slim fan in. I could probably file away a little bit of plastic to make it fit, but that's too much work for right now. So I'll proceed with the 80 millimeter fan instead.